Hey guys, welcome back to Motor Gang. I have another video from the X3M. So, how to remove the front grill, and the only thing you need is the one flat screwdriver. And then if you look at the top, having the each grill having the three tab, only you need to think you push those tab, yes, this way, and then another one, and then try to gently grab the grill with your hand. As soon those are 100% coming out, okay, you only need to a little bit play with the grill to coming out. Don't use the power or force, just play a bit, all gonna come out by itself. Grill is out, just need to hold the grill out while. Okay. Okay, I got it. This one went back in. This one went back inside, that's why it didn't come out. So without break anything, 3 at the bottom, and then 2 for the each side corner, and then 3 at the top. So that's really easy. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget again, subscribe my channel, and then see you guys next time.